Menteri Berikmi ikatanat kampen mi boarding ke Jelau Abu Tahir Mondal Uloang bagajing Moramot yakapung bagajing Umīam kadang yat bat onam patla Pyndep haswa bankut Bnai jeliu mentau senam. Habakran cikilat patai kubor hakanok paisi joka khalai teri ujembang arjar persau Menteri Uloang bakat kum gajing ai jumut ke IIT Guwahati haban penjelane kapor ban Pyndep yaka. Uloang bak IIT Guwahati kalau ai jengmut bantap daka dobilat hagi benta Jingkieng daka rong bat kumta kapor ban Pyndep kanlong hadu bakut Bnai naitung lane katayo beningkong jong nailar arjar persau. Uloang bagajing trai kalau sedang naga benta ban penjerong ikarta jong Jingkieng bat benram bakatanat kalau betha eka sorkar ban shim daki wei kilat kilenti nak benta kalat kawan kipaj ba. Kumta nagani gajing pentep na menteri kipaj ba ki belamat selang Dheng kali. Lakat tu kat ni Bnai menta naga jing Moramot ke Jingkieng bat pung Umīam menta kidang haban mat biang hadu katayo beningkong unailar arjar persau.
Everything work is going in full swing and as per the schedule. You are aware that we have engaged IIT Guwahati for on technical support and all these things, and we are working in sync with them, including the contractors who are working there. Last week I had a visit on the dam, and there is a question that whether the surface will be bituminous surface or reinforced surface. So we consulted IIT. IIT is suggesting that we should go for concrete surface because of many technical reasons. So accordingly, we are now removing all those bitumen from the top of the bridge and also the dam, and so also the previous surface which has been laid there, and definitely will go as per the decision of the IIT. IIT is suggesting that we should go for RCC surface, and if you go for RCC surface after clearing one side of the bitumen and then all those unwanted portions also like concreting done on top of the original structure, then we will cast one side, and when we go for concrete laying, we'll have to go for a long time for curing, for give the sufficient time. So that will take around 28 days approximately. Then we can open that side and we come back for the other side. So the original plan to go for bituminous surfacing and then to complete the bridge on schedule, we are on that. But because of this new requirement, maybe we will offshoot little bit. We will take some more time. But personally, we feel also that it is better to do now. Maybe our esteemed people who are traveling through the road, they are facing a lot of problems. But if it is done, it will be done for good as far as possible. So that is the present status as per the retrofitting work. That's what I am telling, that it is not June. I told that one also. Yeah, we may go past July. We'll try to finish it off by July or first week of August and all these things. Because in concrete, it is in bitumen. What happens when we lay the bitumen? Vehicle can travel on that. But when we go for RCC, we cannot allow the vehicle to pass on top of the casted. No, not required. The same way it will continue. Yeah, definitely. We expect that maybe by around 20 years we can go, because we got to understand also that now or never situation, and in this now or never situation we got to take extra precaution to see that we finish this retrofitting work. But by the meantime, government of Meghalaya vis-a-vis PWD department is taking utmost care to come out with an alternative route.